Hey guys, Zexus here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install IZZY HUD Script into your FiveM server. This script is a total game changer and I can't wait to show you how it's done. This script provides you massive customization. You can customize your HUD as you want. So grab your snacks, sit back and let's jump straight into the installation process. Before that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. The HUD script which we are going to install is IZZY HUD version 6. I'll include the link of their shop in the description below. By clicking over here, you can preview the HUD if you want. Now, you just need to click on cart and purchase the script. After purchasing it, you will receive your script in the granted assets of your keymaster. You just need to click on download. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file and open the file. Now copy this file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now open the file, go to shared and cfg.lua. In the cfg.lua, you can perform some changes from here. If you want to show the real time in the server, then set it into true. Otherwise, you can change it into false. In here, you can change the server's name. So I'll be changing it into Zexus development. Now you can also change the server's description from here. So I'll be changing it to development. You can change the currency format as well from here. Over here, you can adjust the stress mechanism of your weapons. And from here, you can adjust the stress mechanism of your vehicles. Now we have to change our HUD's logo. For that, you just need to visit web, dist, and over here you can see logo.png. If you click over here, you will see the logo of IZZY shop. So I'll be removing the logo from here and I'll paste my logo instead of here. So let me change the just like this. Now you have to delete your old QB HUD. You just need to go to QB and delete the QB HUD from here. That's it. Now let's start the server. This video is proudly sponsored by IZZY Shop, your ultimate destination for the best FiveM scripts. IZZY Shop offers a wide range of premium and high quality scripts with unique and innovative concepts designed to take your FiveM server to the next level. Whether you are looking to enhance gameplay or introduce something fresh and exciting to your server, IZZY Shop has your cover. Check out their amazing collection now, link in the description below. So this is the first preview of our HUD. As you see on the top left, you can see each and every details of our character, what job we do and what is our server's ID. And also how much cash we have, how much money we have in the bank. And also we can see our server's name and our server's logo as well. We can also see the real life time and real life date as well. If you want to customize your HUD, you just need to type /HUD over here. We have two different types of status bar. First one is classic status and another one is modern status. In the classic status, we have 5 different variants of HUD and in the modern status, we have 6 different variants of HUD. So I'll be selecting this one for now. Now let's check the other option, which is status color. From here, you can change the color of the status bar. You can change the color as you like. As you can see over here, I have changed the color of my status bar. Now let's check speedometer types. We have 5 different variants of speedometer. So this is my personal favorite one, so I'll be selecting this. Now let's check HUD setting. In the HUD setting, you can change the position of your HUD and also you can change the type of your HUD. First, let's check top info. As you can see over here, we have 3 different options of top info. You can see the changes over here. So I'll be putting it default. And for the progress bar, if you want, you can turn on the progress bar as well. For the speed type, you can change km/h or miles per hour. So I'll be changing it to miles per hour. For the map style, we have 2 different type of map style. First one is circle one, another one is square one. So I'll be keeping it square. For the map visibility, if you want, you can turn it on always. Otherwise, you can see the map when you get into the vehicle. So this is a compass color which we can set according to our wish. So I'll be changing the color for now. And from here, you can change the size of the status bar. Now at last, we have option of move it. By clicking it, we can change the position of each and every icon of our HUD. So I'll be changing this position and putting it over here and the position of the speedometer and progress bar over here. That's much it. Now press escape. After that, click on exit, again escape. As you can see our speedometer over here, it's worked perfectly fine. So we have one more option over here on the HUD setting, which is our cinematic option. So as you can see over here, we got cinematics bar up and down. With the cinematic bar, we can create cinematic shots for our videos. So yes, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.